welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you don't know me, my name is Aishwarya, and today I'm going to show you how to make this trinket tray using oven baked clay. So this is the first time I'm using this type of material. I have used air dry clay before, which is easy to work with, but it breaks or it cracks easily. But this one does not crack when you bake, and it dries fast. So that's really fun. And yeah, to see how I did this, let's keep on watching. So for this project you would need this Craft Smarts oven bake clay. I have these three colors, but I have decided to use just the white, and I'm also using these toolkit which I got. So this has a rolling pin and other 4 tools. So this clay needs a little bit of a prep work before creating anything out of it, because it's made out of plastic and it's a little bit hard. So you have to knead it for quite some time till it becomes flexible, and then you can turn it into anything you want. So I'm doing that right now. So once the prep work is done, I'm going to flatten the clay using the rolling pin which I showed before, and do any kind of shape you want. I went for a bowl shape. Once the clay is flattened, I'm using this vase as my shape. So, and cut off the excess using the knife which I showed before again. And don't throw the clay away, you can use it for something else. So I'll be using that clay for the stand of the bowl or a trinket tray. As this is not water-based clay, so I'm using some rubbing alcohol to give it a shape and a smoother texture. I'm also creating the 3 tiny balls out of the leftover clay to create the stand for the bowl. So I'm taking some oven safe bowl and I'm using this to shape my clay into a bowl structure. So first I thought I would, put it from the back, but then I wanted it to have that smooth edge. So that's the reason I use the inside of the bowl. Make sure there is no air bubble inside, and shape the edges of the bowl using again rubbing alcohol and a flat spatula. Once that is done, use the instruction from the package and bake your clay in 275 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Now once they are done baking, this is how it should look, with no cracks and anything. But be careful, this will be really hot, and let them cool down before you paint or do any kind of design in that. So I'm just kind of showing here. This will be a little bit flexible when it is just out of the oven, so let them dry completely and then cool down completely before doing anything to it. Also use a sandpaper to get rid of any excess clay and to give a smoother texture. Don't sand it too much, it will become thin, but just to give shape and remove the excess clay. And now it's the fun part. Just paint whatever you want on this. I have gone for the floral print, but you can do anything you want inside this, and use a sealant. I'm also attaching the legs which I made for the bowl using hot glue gun, and I'll leave a link to all the things I have used here down in the description for you guys to check out. And also don't forget to use the sealant, so this will seal your work and will be not waterproof, but it is still clean proof using wet towel. So yeah. when everything is dry, this is how it should look. And yeah, you are ready to use this product. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this DIY as much as I did. If you ever recreate this DIY, please tag me on the Instagram at simplyDIY, which I'll be leaving down here and also in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check it out. And don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And with that being said, yeah, you guys have a great day. Bye.